Today we are talking about measure of central tendency. This is my data, and I will explain mean, median, and mode. Median is the middle one of all these erasers because this is the fourth one out of the seventh. So this is the median, and then I will talk about mean. And there are 7 of these, and then they're equally distributed to 7 people. So each one will have 1 of the erasers, and also frequencies, which is the mode. In here, that there's 3 oranges, so and it appears the most. So in order to find the mode, because oranges appear the most, so orange will be the mode. This will be also be outlier. Outlier is the 1 or 2 that will possibly may or may not be in one data set. For example, in this data set, there is not any outlier because they are all in one box. For example, in this data set, that it's very obvious this green one and this pink one is out of the box. There's the weight mean. The weight mean is the mean of data set whose entries having various weights. There are 2 types of frequency distribution. The first one is symmetric. And symmetric is there is a vertical line crossing from the data. The second one will be uniform or rectangular, which is when all entries or classes in the distribution have equal or approximately equal frequencies, which is like this: 2 yellows, 2 blues, and 3 greens, because they're almost as equal number as each other. This is binomial, the same greatest frequency in each data entries. They both have 2 pinks, but they only have each 1 yellow and 1 orange, so the pinks are the greatest frequency. And this is weight mean. It is the equation of the weight mean, which is find the midpoint of each class, find the sum of the products of the midpoints and the frequencies, find the sum of the frequencies, find the mean of the frequency distribution. We have 2 frequency distribution graphs, and this one is the right scoot, and this is positive. It's normally representing positive thing in this graph. And this is the left scoot, which normally represents the negative part. This is chapter 2.5, measure of population. And the first thing is going to be fractal, and that is a data that can be divided into equal parts. Cool. There are 3 quartiles: Q1, Q2, and Q3. Q1 has only 1/4 of the data fall or below. Q2 is normally the median. Q3 has 3/4 of the data fall or over below. There are interquartile range. It's normally 50% between Q3 and Q1. Therefore, we use Q3 to minus Q1, and that is 50% in between. T-score, and this is the T-score formula. T-score is the number of standard deviation a given value x falls from the mean. There are 5 number summary. There are minimum, Q1, Q2, which is the median, Q3, and maximum. These are box plot. And box plot is an explanatory data analysis tool that highlights important features of the data set. We can see here that the purple one has the least amount of erasers, and the pink one has the most amount of erasers. So in the graph, that the pink one will be in the front, and the purple one will be in the back.